In this video, we will talk about how to change lock screen in Windows 10. First of all, go to your Start menu and click on the Settings icon. Click on Personalization. On the left side, click on Lock Screen. Under Background, you'll see three options. Windows Spotlight automatically refreshes your lock screen and desktop background. Then Picture, you can use to add your own photo. Next, Slideshow, by adding multiple photos from a folder. Just pick whatever you like. If you select Picture, click on Browse and choose any image from your computer. And same goes for the slideshow. Click on Add a folder and select Image folder. That's all for today. See you in the next video.